Switch statements. Switch statements are another way to branch our code. We provide a variable to investigate and a list of case statements for possible values of that variable. We write switch and then a variable within parentheses, and within the opening and closing curly braces we specify case and a value and break for each value we want to check, and a default case if nothing above gets triggered. A switch statement will check to see if our variable is equal to value 1 or value 2, etc., or neither. Each case ends with a break to denote the end of the instructions to perform if the variable equals that value. For example, switch parentheses letter grade, open curly brace, case A, then cout 90 to 100%, break, case B, cout 80 to 90%, break, and so on and so forth, with default having cout less than 60%. This switch statement here, switch choice, case N, then call new game, break, case S, call save game, break, case L, call load game, break, case X, call exit, break, default, display unknown command. That switch statement is equivalent to these if statements. If choice is equal to N, call new game, else if choice is equal to S, call save game, else if choice is equal to L, call load game, else if choice is equal to X, call exit, else output unknown command. You can put several case statements together with one break. If the variable equals either of the values, then the code before the break will be executed. This is called flow-through. So for example, if we're switching on choice variable, we can do case uppercase N, case lowercase n, and then call new game within there, and then break. Both uppercase and lowercase n will trigger the new game function to be called. If you want to declare variables within your case, you will need to enclose the region with curly braces. Otherwise, you'll get compile errors. So for instance, switch operation, case plus sign, open curly brace, float sum equals x plus y, cout sum, end curly brace, break. In C++, switch statements can be used with ints, floats, chars, and other basic data types, but it will not work with string variables. Switch statements might be preferable to a list of if-else-if statements when your case code is relatively concise.